I remember when rock was young. Me and Susie had so much fun, holding hands and skimming stones. Had an old gold Chevy and a place of my own, but the biggest kick I ever got was doing a thing called the crocodile rock. While the other kids were rocking round the clock, we were hopping and bobbing to the crocodile rock. Well, crocodile rocking is something shocking when your feet just can't keep still. I never knew me a better time, and I guess I never will. Oh, Lordy Mama, those Friday nights when Susie wore her dresses tight, and crocodile rocking was out of sight. Just died. Susie went and left me for some foreign guy. Long nights crying by the record machine, dreaming of my Chevy and my